Guys, this might just solve some of your fights on your next camping trip. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't do a lot of these, but this company contacted me and wanted me to do a review video for them. And at first I wasn't really that interested. And then I got to thinking about our camping trips. We're kind of getting a little bit older, and it just seems like it doesn't matter if it's cold outside, warm outside, whatever. My wife and I are never on the same page when it comes to temperature. And I know she often uses this little tiny fan. So when I saw this, it's an upgrade. So guys, let's see what's in the box and see what this can do. Whoa! One of the things I thought was pretty cool about this is it says on low, this thing can last 36 hours. And it's rechargeable, and that is, I'm all about rechargeable. I hate buying batteries, and it seems like the price of batteries has went up significantly over the last several years. So I don't know if this thing's charged at all or not. Let's try it out here. I mean, it's basically, this is all there is in the charge cord. It's like, here's where you charge it in the back here. And I think, if I remember right, when I read the description, that you can actually charge other things off of this. So let's see. Like I said, I'm getting a little older. The fan is just the button on the left here. It's 75% charged according to these little lights here. Second speed, third speed, and high speed. This isn't giving as much wind as like a plug-in fan would give you, you know, but for a personal fan, might not be too bad. It's blowing my trash off the table, that's good. So I'm gonna put that back on low and try the light. Oh, yes. This I thought was really cool too. They had a light in the fan, and I think you can adjust the angle. And then it looks like there's a hanger here on the bottom that you can like hang it from something to blow on you while you're sleeping. Oh boy, okay. It does angle, but it's a little bit tough to change. It's not gonna accidentally move, that's for sure. But this fan is from Conbola. And yeah, so the light has 3 adjustments as well. So like if you're reading and your husband is sleeping and you're hot and he's not, here you go. And it makes a little noise, almost like a relaxing white noise. And this fan comes in black, army green, gray, and orange accents. So that's what you get. That's the Conbola USB rechargeable LED portable fan. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.